on the beat with the Draco on me. Yeah, 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 yeah. They like, where he at? He ain't never left. Back in they face like bad, bro. Hey, they know what they did when I step in it, bitch. If a nigga move wrong, get left in it, bitch. We ain't going for shit, man. I know that I'm rich, but I still a pop out all black with a big ain't grab that drink. With the beam on the face from the up, thought the way she was trying to get away with the drink.
So much money.
Jordan Belford, I be getting dirty money, Jordan Belford. Stacking penny stocks for the flipping these birds.
Who's that Pokemon?
Alright. We are headed into Harris Cedar. Getting ready to go to another meeting. I don't know what this guy's doing over here. Before I go into this next meeting, we need some caffeine. Harris Cedar is full of so many rich people, it's crazy. I swear it's where you can find all the wealthy old people. Like this guy, he's probably worth so much money. Let's see, what are we feeling today? You know, you can never go wrong with a white gummy bear. What the hell kind of build is that? What the hell kind of build is that?
Remember to take your receipt.
This might be working out. We might have a contract with this dealership to do detailing. I'll be doing their lot cars whenever they're getting that ready. And then I can still continue my detailing at the same time. And I'd pretty much be leasing a spot from their shop that they actually just bought a few miles down the road that way. So this is pretty exciting. Hopefully this works out.
Who's that Pokemon?
Hey, we got a monster. Whoa! Right now. Yo. Where the fuck did he even go? We have the mighty sheets. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna need something to drink. And then I need an iPhone charger. I need the lightning charger so bad. First things first, caffeine.
Right. There and right there.
Appreciate it. Not enough caffeine for me. Gotta let this car by real quick. Then we got Jacob and Kevo racing. It's like a Kawasaki, I don't know, kind of cruiser bike. And then a CBR 500, I want to say. Any day now. Enjoy this view while we wait. Let's go, guys. Why the fuck are we waiting on all these? fact, I beat it one time. One time. Musa. CBR 1000. We got a bunch of fast boys.
Everybody gas
ZX14.
camo up to buy my one.
Let's hear this. Let's hear this exhaust.
Hey, put it in neutral and bang it.
It's a little better.
What did I say? What did I say?
Still kind of shitty.
Don't sound like the R6.
All right, do a pull. Come on.
Okay, bro.
Go.
Come on, guys. If you guys are getting in.
Hang on, Jackson's gonna pull his
Because
car into
my
a
GoPro's at 4%. So.
Okay,
hurry.
you better run over there.
We're gonna stop.
I'm going over that way. You better run over there.
Bye, Devin.
Oh shit. Oh, what now? Dude, my shit's seriously about to die. Come on. All right, let's see what he got. The muffler delete.